Understand? Now all of you open your grammar books. All of you open your grammar books. Take out your pencils. Page number 67. Page number 67. Page number 67 of the grammar book. Chapter number 14, the paper boats. Okay. Page number 67. The paper boats. All of you know, okay, what is a paper boat? Paper boat is a boat which we can easily make from a paper. Okay, especially in the rainy season, children love to make paper boats and float them in the water, in the running water, in the streams or on the roads. Okay, so this is a very short text about the writer has told about his paper boats. Okay, the paper boats. First I'm going to read, then you are going to read, then we will do the exercise, and then I'm going to tell you the chapters. Read the poem and answer the questions that follow. Day by day, I float my paper boats one by one down the running stream. In big black letters, open your grammar books, your grammar book. Okay, the grammar tree, page number 67. We are doing comprehension. Okay. Day by day, I float my paper boats one by one down the running stream. In big black letters, I write my name on them and the name of the village where I live. I hope that someone in some strange land will find them and know who I am. I load my little boats with Shuli flowers from our garden and hope that these blooms of the dawn will be carried safely to land in the night. I launch my paper boats and look up into the sky and see the little clouds setting their wide bulging sails. I know not what playmate of mine in the sky sends them down the air to race with my boats. When night comes, I bury my face in my arms and dream that my paper boats float on and on under the midnight stars. The fairies of sleep are sailing in them and the lading in their baskets full of dreams. Okay, so the writer is Rabindranath Tagore. Okay, I'm going to explain it and tell you the meanings also. Now, the writer is saying, day by day, I float my paper boats one by one down the running stream. There's a stream near the village of the writer, and he makes paper boats and he floats them on daily basis. In big black letters, I write my name on them and the name of the village where I live. He writes his name and his village name on the paper boats, okay, in big black letters, okay, so that if anyone will see the paper boats, that person will come to know that who has sent him the paper boats. I hope that someone in some strange land will find them and know who I am. So why he is writing his name and the name of his village on the paper boards? So that someone, whoever will find that paper board will know okay, who he is. Okay? I load my paper boards with Shuli flowers. These are the Shuli flowers. Okay, surely flowers. Basically, these are the flowers of the morning. They are known as the flowers of morning, of dawn. Okay, and they are mostly present in Bengal, West Bengal, in India. Okay, so these are the surely flowers. So the poet loads his paper boats with the surely flowers from our garden and hope that these blooms of the dawn. Blooms of the dawn means flowers of the morning. Flowers of the morning. Dawn means a time when the first light appears in the sky. Okay, will be carried safely to land in the night. So he loads his paper boats with surely flowers so that these can be carried easily and will land somewhere in some strange land. I launch my paper boats and look up into the sky. So he put his paper boat into the water and then he looks up into the sky and see the little clouds setting their wide bulging sails. Sail students, you know that the material, the cloth, which helps in the direction of the wind. These are the wide bulging sails. Okay, the sails of the boat. Wide bulging sails of the boat. I know, so he has compared his paper boards with the wide bulging sails. Okay. I know not what playmate of mine. Playmate, who is a playmate? A friend. A friend. I know not what playmate of mine in the sky sends them down the air to race with my boats. Now he is telling that the clouds are having a race with his boats. The clouds are having a race with his paper boats. When night comes, I bury my face in my arms and dream that my paper boats float on and on under the midnight stars. Okay, so when night comes, he just goes to his bed and he starts dreaming that his paper boats are floating and floating under the shining stars, under the sky which is covered with stars. The fairies of sleep are sailing in them. So who is sailing in the paper boats? The fairies of sleep, and the lading in their baskets full of dreams. Okay, now students, who is going to read? Yes, raise your hand. Who will read? Nurul Iman.
Yes,
Yes,
teacher.
start reading.
Teacher, from day by day.
Yes, day by day.
Okay. Read the poem and answer the questions that follow. Day by day, I float my paper boats one by one down the running stream. In big black letters, I write my name on them and the name of the village where I live. I hope that someone in some strange land will find them and know how I am. I
I am.
load my I am. I load my little boats with
Surely, surely. Sheer sound. It is surely flowers.
surely flowers for our garden and hope that the blooms of the dawn will be carried safely to land in the night.
Okay,
I
good.
launch my paper.
Okay, beta. Now, Rayan. Yes, Rayan.
I launch my favorite boats and look up into the sky and see the little clouds setting their wide bu- bulging
Bulging
sails.
sails.
Bulging sails. I know not what playmate of mine in the sky sends them down the air to race with my boats. When night comes, I bury my face in my arms and dream that my paper boat floats
On and on.
on and on under the midnight stars. The fairies of sleep are sailing in them and the lading in their basket full of dreams.
Okay. Now I'm going to ask you questions, few questions on my own. So what is the poet? What is the writer floating? What is the writer floating? Yes, Rayan?
Boat.
What type
Paper
of
boats.
boats? Paper
Pa-
boats, correct? Okay, paper boats. Why does he write his name and the name of the village on the paper boats? Why does he write his name and the name of the village on his paper boats? Yes, Rohan?
He writes his name and the name of his village because when a strange person will see those boards, so he can know that who he is, who the
Okay,
boy or
correct.
stranger.
So he writes his name and the name of his village on the paper board so that anyone who will see the boat will come to know, okay, who he is, okay, and where he lives. Good. Okay. Uh, with what he loads his little boats? With what he loads his little boats? With what he loads his little boats? Yes, Ahmad Raza. Yes, Ahmad Raza. Yes, Nurul Iman.
Which she load my little boats in Shuli, her little boats
Correct.
in
He
Shuli
loads his
flowers.
little, yes, correct. He loads his little boat with Shuli flowers. Good. Okay. Uh, how does he compare his paper boats? To which thing he compares his paper boats? Yes, who will tell me? To which thing he compares his paper boats? Yes, Ahmed? Yes, Ahmed Raza? Yes. To which thing does he compare his paper boats? Yes. With the clouds. With the clouds setting their white bulging sails. Okay. Now students, you can see uh, exercise A. Find synonyms in the passage. Find synonyms in the passage for the words given below. Synonyms means similar meanings. You have to find the similar you have to find similar meanings of these words like flowing, unknown, blossoms, daybreak, friend. Try to find the similar meanings from this passage and then I'm going to ask you. I'm giving you 2 minutes time. Start finding. Good, Rayan. Hurry up. Okay. Anyone has found except Rayan? Synonyms are the similar meanings. Similar meanings. Okay? Yes, Nurul Iman.
Flowing ka teacher flowers.
No, better flowing, which is flowing, like the water flows. So what will be the synonym of flower? Flowing. Yes, Rayan. Yes, Rayan.
Float. A flowing float.
Okay, one more, which is similar. Running. Okay. So what is the right word? Running. Running. Flowing. Running. The water is flowing. The water is running. Running stream. Flowing stream. So the right synonym of flowing is running. Okay. Unknown. You don't know that person. Yes. Rohan. Yes,
Strange.
Rohan. Good. Very good. Strange. Correct. Unknown. Strange. Good.
Can I tell the
Okay.
next one also?
No, 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 no. You will not tell. Yes. Moment. Blossoms.
Flowers.
Very good. Flowers. Blossoms. Flowers. Okay. Daybreak is a little bit difficult, but I just
Dawn.
want to see if anybody knows it. Yes. Moment. What are you saying? Daybreak.
Dawn.
Dawn. Okay. Do you know the meaning before, or you are using internet or anything like that? Be honest.
नहीं टीचर मैंने पहले से किया हुआ था.
Okay, you have done it before. How? Why you have done it before? Don't do it before. Okay. Now, students, daybreak is dawn. A little time, the time when the first light of the sun appears. Yes. Who will tell me friend? Heather Abbas. Friend. It's easy. Yes, Heather. Unmute your mic, beta. Yes, please repeat.
Playmate.
Very good. Playmate. Okay. Now I repeat, please check your answers, all of you. Flowing, running, unknown, strange, blossoms, flowers, daybreak, dawn, friend, playmate. Sentences you're going to do on your own. These are the phrases. Why they are phrases? Because they are group of words. Okay. On and on, continue to do something. Yes. Try to make one sentence. Yes, Rohan.
I have one more question. Can you please tell me when will be our dictation tomorrow?
Beta, all of you, please listen to me very carefully. Tomorrow is your dictation. Okay? 4 chapters told you, and you have to revise these 4 chapters for dictation as well as for question answers. Okay? Question answers I will ask orally, and I will also give the marks. Okay? So, you know that the fire at Pira doesn't have any question answers, so you only have to learn the meanings. Sounds of the sea also doesn't have any question answers, so you have to learn the meanings only. Only the egg collector surprise and at home in the urban jungle. Only these 2 chapters have question answers and meanings both. Okay, so first I'm going to take your oral test of question answers. Okay, dictation will be taken in the last 7 to 8 minutes. And as soon as the time finishes, your parents will WhatsApp the dictation pages to the school. Okay, then the marks, then the test will be checked and the winners' names will be announced. Yes.
Now,
Yes.
on and on. Ali on and on finished his work.
Basically, on and on means to continue to do something. Like I worked on and on, but I couldn't achieve my goal. Okay. In the night. In the night.
In
Yes.
the night,
No. Yes, moment.
The boy fell into the ditch in the night because he could not see.
The boy fell into the ditch because he could not see in the night. Okay. Any other sentence in the night? The stars shine on the sky in the night. The thieves broke into the house.
My
Night.
head is full of
Dreams. Yes, Rayan. Yes, Rayan.
ये day by day.
Day by day, yes.
Ali is getting fat day by day.
Good. Ali is getting fat day by day. Okay. Any other student day by day? Yes, Heather Abbas. Yes, Heather. Yes, Nurul Iman.
Plant is growing. Plant is growing bigger day by day.
Good. Okay. Next, Noor.
Friend,
No, beta.
no friend. Into the sky. Into the sky, teacher.
Yes, into the sky.
The stars are into the sky.
Into the sky, like you are going into the sky, like the aeroplane, the birds flew into the sky. Okay, the rocket flies, rocket leaves the earth with great force into the sky. Okay, anything like that. Okay, full of dreams, full of dreams, full of dreams. Some other student. Mohammed bin Faisal and Mikhail, while your cameras are not turned on, turn on your cameras, please. Ahmed Raza, yes, Ahmed Raza, you make a sentence. Ahmed, make a sentence of full of dreams. Okay, Ryan. G Moment. G
She
Moment.
came to the city. She came to the city with the head full of dreams, or my head is full of dreams at the night.
My
Can you
head
repeat
or my
me?
heart is full of dreams. Okay.
Oh, my head.
Ali entered into the city full of dreams. He started a new job full of dreams. Any sentence you can make. Okay, now students choose the correct answer and tick it. It's very easy. Who will do number one? The students who haven't done yet. I want some other students. Okay, yes. Mohammed bin Faisal, unmute your mic. Mohammed bin Faisal, unmute your mic. Umar Noor Shamsi. Umar Noor Shamsi, do the first one. Beta, unmute your mic. What's the use of taking the class if you're not participating? Just tell me that. If you don't want to participate, then what's the use? When I'm saying unmute your mic, you have to unmute your mic. Yes, Rayan. Yes, Rayan.
Number one, the poet floats the paper boats every day.
Correct. The poet floats the paper boards every day. Option A. Correct. Go, Rayan. Who will do the second one? What does bulging mean here? Yes, Rohan. Yes, Rohan.
Full.
Good. What does bulging means? Full. Round, full, or fat, it means full. Okay. The last one, option part 3. What does launch mean? To launch something, launch a career, launch a show. So what does launch mean in the poem? Yes, who will tell me? Some other student? Yes, Ahmed Raza. Ahmed, you need to unmute your mic. Yes. Yes, beta, I can't hear you. Iman, it is fine. Ahmed, I think there's some issue with your mic. Please adjust it next time, okay? Then I will ask you. I can't hear you. Yes, Heather Abbas.
Yeah, I want to ask question.
Okay, yes, ask.
Yeah, tomorrow our test.
Yes, tomorrow is your dictation test. I've told you before
Yeah, only
also.
dictation.
Only dictation test plus question answers. I've told you.
Which question answers?
The same chapters which I've given for dictation, but the question answers will be oral. One by one, I'm going to ask you people, okay? And I'm going to give
Okay.
you the numbers, okay? I'll write all the
Okay.
names of all the students first who are present. Then I will take a question answers test, meanings test, and then I will dictation will be taken in the last 7 to 8 minutes. Got it? In the
Okay.
last. So all of you need to be punctual and need to be present. Yes, now Heather, part 3, hurry up.
Why
We have to
does
do
it
the,
load?
what does launch mean in the poem? Fly, float, push away from land.
Mm, push away from land.
Good. Push away from land. Correct. Okay, good. Now we will start our question answers. Yes, beta, who is RZUA? Yes, I have unmuted you, but I don't know who are you. RZUA. Beta, write your real name. Yes, I have unmuted you. Now speak up. Now students have written, teacher, I have a question. How the teacher will know ki who is saying this? Write your name, okay? Like Heather Abbas, Mohammad Rohan, Nurul Iman, Rayan Siddiqui, RZUA. I don't know okay, who is that student. Please tell me your name. Write your name. You have to write your correct ID, okay? Otherwise, I cannot understand it. Now we are going to start a question answers. This is Zan. Okay, Zan, write your proper name. Write your full name, Zan. Okay, now part D. On the basis of your reading, answer the following questions in your own words. Why does the poet write his and his village names on the boards? Now, student, the question is in present tense, does. So the answer should be in the present tense. If there is does, so it means you are going to write S with right. The poet writes his and his village names on the board. So, yeah, because. Now, who will tell me the answer? Hurry up, raise your hand. Who will tell me the answer? Rayan.
The poet writes his name and his village name. So if someone in strange land found his boat, he will know who has
Good,
sent it.
very good, very good. The poet writes his name and his village name on the board so that if some strange person will find the boat, he will know who he is. Okay? Who has sent the boats. Okay, good. What do you understand from the term blooms of the dawn? What does it mean? Blooms of the dawn. Blooms of the dawn. What does it mean? Blooms of the dawn. Yes, Rohan? Yes. What does it mean? Blooms of the dawn.
The blooms of the dawn mean that when the sun rises, the beautiful flowers, which are
It
when the sun
means
rises.
flowers, yes. Flowers of the morning means the Shuli flowers. Okay. So the term blooms of the dawn means the flowers which blossom in the morning, which appear in the morning,
Morning.
like Shuli flowers. Okay. Why does he load Shuli flowers in his boats? Why does he load Shuli flowers in his boats? G, who will tell me? Why does he load Shuli flowers in his boat? Yes, Momin? Yes?
Teacher, 1 minute. Teacher, 1 minute. Teacher, my computer is hacked. Teacher, only 1 minute. Teacher, the poet imagines that he is sending a gift of flowers to the finder of the boat.
Okay. He believes that he is sending gift of flowers to the finder of the boat. That whoever will find the boat, that person will also receive the flowers. So he is sending the shuli flowers as a gift to that person. Basically, he's sending shuli flowers as a gift to that person. What comparison does the poet make with the clouds? How does he compare the clouds? What does he compare the clouds? What does he compare his clouds? Hmm. Anybody else? Yes, Rian?
He compares the clouds as sailing boats.
He compares his clouds with his paper boats. Okay, he compares the clouds with his paper boats. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. What does the poet dream of at night? Yes, Heather Abbas?
That someone, that someone, that his paper boats will
Hmm.
float on and go midnight in under the
Under
midnight
the mid,
stars.
and the fairies of sleep are sailing in them. The fairies of sleep are sailing in them. Okay, now students, our chapter is complete. Now, what you have to do in the homework? Synonyms I've told you, you will do it in homework. Okay. Sentences you are going to do, choose the correct answer you are going to do. Question answers I will send you with that spider and the line. When I will send you the question answers, then you are going to do the question answers. Now, please tell me, have you submitted your copies? Have you all of you submitted your copies? Those students who have submitted, raise your hand, because I'll go and I need to check your notebooks. Okay, Momin, Rohan, Heather, Nurul Iman, Ahmad Raza. Who else has submitted? Beta, all of you, please submit your copies. Rian, you haven't submitted your copy. Okay, so it's really important that your copies must be in the school for checking. Okay, you can also submit your grammar books also, or grammar books can be checked later. G, Rohan.
Teacher,
Yes, Rohan. Hmm.
teacher, I want to ask that our copies are in the school, so how we will do this work on our
Oh no,
copies?
not now, not now. When the copies will come back, then you are going to do. Right now, you have done it in the book now. Okay, when you will get back your copies, then you will do this homework. I'm not assigning this homework for this week, for the next week. Okay. What about your creative work? Have you done? Have you finished that story which I've told
Teacher,
you?
teacher, no,
A
can
young
you
boy is
please
looking at
send?
a.
Teacher, can you please send me the homework on WhatsApp? I forgot it.
Beta, this I have told you that you have to write a story. How many of you have written that story? Yes, only one student has written that story.
To which?
That monster one I've told you about a boy and a monster story you have to write.
No one has written.
Rohan, how do you know that no one has written? Okay, show me your work. Those students who have done, show me. Yes, Moment.
Teacher, I have not done, but I have to ask a question. Teacher, the chapters of dictation.
Okay.
Please tell.
Beta, on that day, Monday, I've also told you anyways, write it down. The egg collector surprise. Phyrepeira. Sounds of the sea. At home in urban jungle.
Okay, teacher.
At home in urban jungle. Okay, and question answers will also be taken from these chapters. Understand?
Thanks.
Okay. Yes, Rian, you also want to ask? Yes, Rian.
Teacher, we don't have the copies. How will we learn the meanings and the question answers?
Math.
Teacher,